Cobots. What are they and why are they becoming important? Welcome to our video on cobots and their rising importance in today's world. With automation and robotics revolutionizing industries, collaborative robots, or cobots, are bridging the gap between human workers and machines. Manufacturers face labor shortages and high costs, making flexibility and minimal downtime crucial. Cobots are redefining workplaces, allowing businesses to focus on complex, innovative tasks and enhancing their transformation strategies. AI is driving a significant industrial shift toward optimized workplaces by providing tools to upscale businesses effectively. Cobots are designed for direct human-robot interaction in shared spaces. They are lightweight and constructed for maximum workplace safety. The cobot market was valued at approximately $760 million in 2022 and is projected to surge to $22.6 billion by 2032, according to Apollo research reports. Key cobot features include advanced sensors and software to detect unexpected contact, the ability to be repurposed for different tasks, and a compact design for easy integration into existing workspaces. Cobots use sophisticated hardware and software, such as robotic arms with multiple joints for a wide range of motion. Programming can be done via coding, graphical interfaces, or hand guiding. Cobots assist in various business areas, notably in manufacturing and industrial settings, performing tasks like welding, handling heavy loads, and quality inspection. Cobots are increasingly integrated with machine learning algorithms to enhance their adaptability and decision-making capabilities. Despite their popularity in warehouses and manufacturing, challenges remain, such as concerns over job displacement and safety risks. Cobots generally have a lifespan of around 30,000 to 40,000 hours. AI and automation are evolving, helping robots perform more complex tasks. The rapid development of generative AI, Gen AI, is accelerating robotic exploration and improving decision-making capabilities. Universal Robots is a leading company integrating AI into their models, making their Cobot series one of the most popular globally. Anders Beck, VP of Strategy and Innovation at Universal Robots, noted AI's significant impact on office workers and its growing influence in factory settings. AI enables cobots to have human-like perception, handle variation, move parts precisely, adapt to changing environments, and learn from their experiences. As cobot technology advances, these machines are expected to become more common in many workplaces, enhancing worker safety and adapting to changing production needs. At their core, cobots are designed to collaborate with humans, not replace them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.